Today, I'll show you how to create a simple pop-up and floating animation using scale and position. This is perfect for making an image, shape, or text feel more alive and engaging, whether you're working on a title, a lower third, or a fun graphic element in your composition. First, you'll want to bring your object into the timeline. This could be anything: an imported image, a logo, a shape layer, or a text layer you've created directly in your project. Make sure the object is on its own layer and that you can clearly see it in your composition panel. If it's too large or too small, don't worry, because we're going to be adjusting the scale anyway. Now let's create that pop-up effect using scale. Select the layer that contains your object. On your keyboard, press the S key. This is the shortcut that reveals the scale property for the selected layer. At the very beginning of your animation, where you want the pop-up to start, make sure your playhead is positioned at that frame. With the playhead at the start, click the stopwatch icon next to scale to create your first keyframe, then set the scale value to 0%. This tells the software that at this starting point, the object should be completely invisible because it has no size. Don't worry if it disappears from the composition view, that's exactly what we want at this moment. Next, move the playhead forward in time to where you want the pop-up animation to finish. This might be around half a second to 1 second ahead, depending on how snappy or smooth you want the pop-up to feel. With the playhead at this new position, change the scale value to 100%. As soon as you do this, a second keyframe will be created automatically. When you play this back, you'll see the object grow from 0 to 100%, creating that pop-up appearance. If it feels too slow or too fast, simply move the second keyframe closer to or farther from the first one. Closer keyframes create a quicker pop. More distance between them gives you a slower, more gentle appearance. Once you're happy with the pop-up, it's time to add a floating motion using position. With the same layer selected, press the P key on your keyboard. This reveals the position property. Position controls where the object sits in the frame. To create a simple floating effect without expressions, you can add a couple of keyframes. Move your playhead a bit forward from where the pop-up ends and click the position stopwatch to set your first keyframe. Then move the playhead forward a little more and slightly adjust the position of your object either up or down. Keep the changes small so the motion feels natural and gentle, not jumpy or exaggerated. You can repeat this process, moving the playhead and nudging the position values up and down to build a subtle floating cycle. To make the float continuous and more organic, you can use a wiggle expression. Move your playhead to any point on the timeline, then Alt-click or Option-click the position stopwatch. This opens a small text field where you can type an expression. Type wiggle 1 × 10. This tells the software to move the object randomly around its position 1 time per second with a maximum distance of about 10 units. The result is a soft, drifting motion that feels like your object is gently floating. Play back your animation and you'll see the object pop into view and then float smoothly. You can always tweak the pop-up timing by adjusting the scale keyframes or fine-tune the float by changing the numbers in the wiggle expression, using smaller or larger values for a subtler or stronger effect.